Yeah.
Where's it come from?
And the tap is
And this is the what?
there's
Oda.
Peter Manuel.
Yeah. This is Oda.
It was baby. Oh, look,
Oh,
Diane
there, I see.
Street,
Yes, yes.
This is now for Oromo flag. What you going to
it's very, very
have
good.
for other?
Your Ethiopian flag.
Yeah. Oromo flag. Yeah.
Nice. I don't know if they'll work here.
I have it.
Got a stick. Good.
Thank you.
Steenie, Richard says it's not hand wash, it's hand cream.
Thank you.
So, there are 70 languages
What he
spoken
gave
in
me.
Ethiopia.
Hand wash, he said it's cream.
Who knew, huh?
Yeah.
And he belongs to the Oromo tribe.
Yeah.
Which is like 40%, is it? 40% of
Yeah.
Ethiopia?
Yeah. So
Population is Oromo. But they are not in power.
yeah.
And so the government is really...
So what was your suggestion?
you could do an app.
An app?
Yeah, like the reader app or a numbers app. There's a section, go around.
David Tino's brother.
Sounds
This chap plays
Hands getting white.
the
Just there.
murder of Peter Manuel.
White
He's a
inside.
famous,
Yeah,
famous
because it is
case in
hot.
Glasgow in the
True.
1950s.
So white hats. Keep the sun off your head.
Very true.
White is the color of,
Gross.
isn't it? People wear white during,
For us, yes.
yes, traditional
Yeah.
Tell you what I
celebration.
fancy.
Yeah.
Easter, the
Yeah.
vegetarian gravy is really so good.
So every holiday,
Shower of
everything
Alright.
you celebrate, you have something white.
It's a suitable day to be
I
wearing.
made
Yeah,
it the other
that's
day
good.
for Tom, I thought, oh,
That's why
I was making
I have it in one potato.
So,
And he uses
wow, you're much better than
dreadlocks.
Alright.
Yeah,
But he spoke to a relative who said, you must cut your hair. You must. Your hair is taking your energy.
Yeah.
David, unfortunately, was attacked.
That is the mother.
And Tom was quite upset.
Mother.
So then David was quite upset.
My mother.
Tom was quite upset.
If I'm
Sorry,
with
what's
her,
David upset?
she is just looking after me every day.
You didn't think David was
So
seriously about
I'm coming out when she saw just picture. She saw my picture, and at the time I'm with her, and when I am here, it is no the same. And she just
So
really.
Dave, so Tom was
You have a
quite
lot of
upset.
hair.
So
That
he
hair
upset
is
David.
taking its blood. You have to cut. You have to cut.
It's interesting, isn't it? And when he first cut it, I was like, oh man, your hair! Everyone was like,
Everyone
"Your hair!"
will.
He had it done you.
He did it himself.
Oh, you didn't.
Yeah, smash it and just put it.
I couldn't understand why we were.
It's very hard to cut it too.
Yeah. It suited him really well, but this suits him now too.
Yeah.
Not for sure.
It was, yes.
My son getting on the school now.
Wrong. Come on.
Hey.
David, 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 David,
Um,